Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. In this video, I am going to show you how to create clone of your voice by AI. So this video will be very interesting for you. To learn this full process, watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, I'll ask you something. Till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video first. So jump in the topic. For cloning your voice, first of all go to Chrome browser and type here myvocal.ai. Just enter on this site. After that you will find here sign in option. Just click on it, then you will find here two options, Google and Facebook. For sign up, okay, I just sign up with my Google account. You can sign up with any of this. Select your Gmail account, then click here confirm. Now my account is successfully signed up. After that you just need to click here clone voice, then just select your language from here. You will find here 6 languages for free uses. So I just select here English. Now you will see here 25 text sentences that you need to record. Okay, after recording your voice will be cloned. So I'm going to record this first sentence. Click on this sentence and here below you will see record option. Just click on it. Now allow your microphone. Click on again record. If I record this first one, this experiment was so far successful at about 1850. So after record, just click on this finish option. Now you can play your record. Just click on this icon. If you think it's perfect, you can submit it, and if you think it's not good, you can record it again. From here clicking record again. So by this process you have to record all these sentences. Okay, I am going to record all of this. After complete your record, just click here submit. Congratulations, our AI is now trying to understand how you speak. Now you have to just wait a few seconds and here reload this page. Now you can see your work is finished. AI catch your voice. So now if you want to clone your voice, now just click here text to speech option. After that click on this blank plus icon. Now you can type here your audio title. Then here below you can write your content. I am going to write after write your content, click on submit option. Wait a few seconds. Finally you can see my voice is cloned. Now your clone voice is ready. You can play it from here. If you want to download this audio, click on this box. After that here below you will see download option. Click on it. For free cloning your voice, it has some limitation. You can't make up to 2000 character sentences in a month. If you want to use more than 2000 characters, then you can also purchase from this website. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this video.